There's no evidence establishing a direct causal link between the death under investigation and the allegations of workplace bullying, which will have deeply, deeply worried and disturbed us, allegations of victimization or adverse working conditions.
Uphenyo lesikhungo ludanule ukuthi nakuba izibhedlela zingathinteki ekuphangalaleni kwezisebenzi zezempilo, kodwa isimo sezibhedlela zaKwaZulu-Natal sinawo umthelela empilweni yezisebenzi.
The investigation uncovered significant systemic concerns affecting healthcare professionals across multiple health establishments.
Lesikhungo sidalule ukuthi amampunge ukuthi udokotela Alulutho Mazwi owayeqeqeshelwa ukuba udokotela esibhedlela iPrince Mshiyeni Memorial washonela emsebenzini. Udaba lukaMazwi lowasabalala nakuyona yonke inkundla yokuxhumana kubikwa ukuthi waqalwa ukugula esemsebenzini wenqatshelwa ukugoduka.
Dr. Mazwi did not die while on duty. He became critically ill while at his hospital residence on the day of his death. He was rushed to the hospital emergency department where he was pronounced dead on arrival.
Kwezinye izigameko lesikhungo esiphenye ngazo kukhona nesikadokotela uSiyabonga Zulu owayesebenza esibhedlela iNgwelezane kanye noMvuyo Cele owamelwa inhliziyo esemsebenzini esibhedlela sasePortchepston. Zonke lezigameko nokubalwa kuzo nesikaMazwi nesinye esenzeka esibhedlela saseVryheid zenzeka zilandelana ngenyanga kaNhlaba nyakenye.